This is a review of the DuraTech electrical plug pliers. These have the comfort grips. There's a lot of the ones that I'm seeing that just kind of has the little rubber over this, but really, honestly, this is what sets this particular one apart, is really these thick comfort grips. Makes it really easy to open and close. You can see that they are just over 8 inches in length, 8.5 inches in length. Really, they open and close very, very easily. You can see the teeth on here. Quality metal. Doesn't feel cheap at all. I have a couple different sets of these, and these are very comparable to a lot of the other ones that I have. It's not something that you use all the time, so these DuraTechs are great. I love the comfort grip. Nice soft rubber on those. Nice size handles. I have real big hands, so that really helps out a lot as well. Again, easy to open and close. About 8.5 inches. I highly recommend these.